VingaJoy Fitlife Ultra W-500 price, specs. Available with a 6-month warranty, the VingaJoy Fitlife Ultra W-500 is available at offline stores across India for 3,999 rupees. The watch has multiple built-in sports modes and an HD screen as well. The watch provides 72 hours of non-stop working and also comes with a free extra strap. Furthermore, there's support for notification alerts, camera control, music control, and a voice assistant. Furthermore, a suite of health features are also available such as heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor and more. Upbeat 101 price, specs. The Upbeat 101 is available at 999 rupees, while the Vader 350 is available in black and white color variants for a price of just 1,399 rupees on wingslifestyle.in, Flipkart and Amazon.in. The Upbeat 101 is a compact and portable 5W party speaker which has RGB lights. It also features TWS functionality which allows for 2 Upbeats to be paired for a 10W stereo party speaker system or a multi-room audio experience. It has a battery life of up to 20 hours and comes with a shoulder strap. Wing's Vader 350 specs. The Vader 350 is Wing's most powerful gaming over-ear headphone, says the brand. The headphone features large dynamic drivers for lag-free audio, and an ergonomically designed adjustable microphone with a dedicated gaming mode option. The headphone is built around a Bluetooth V5.2 chip and includes speed sync for instant pairing and better power efficiency for up to 20 hours of playtime. The Vader 350 has extra soft earmuffs for comfortable use over long hours, with an adjustable headband and microphone boom.